In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtasks in Monday.com. This is an essential skill for organizing your tasks more effectively and can really help in breaking down larger tasks into manageable parts. So, let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the board where you want to add a subtask. The board is essentially the central hub for your projects in Monday.com. Once you're on the correct board, you'll be ready to begin adding subtasks to your main tasks, which we also refer to as items in Monday.com. Next, take a look at your task list. To the left side of each task, you'll notice 3 small dots when you hover over it. These dots are often called the More Actions button, and they open up additional options for that particular task. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to see what options are available. Once you click on the dots, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Search for the option that says Add Subitem. Clicking on this will trigger a new field, or essentially a new mini-task under your main task. This is where you can start building your subtask list. Now comes the fun part: entering the desired subtask details. Think of these subtasks as smaller pieces of the puzzle. Here, you can give each subtask a name that represents a specific part of the main task. It's a good idea to be clear and concise with subtask names, so anyone who views them knows exactly what needs to be done. If you need to add more subtasks under the same main task, simply repeat the steps above. There's no limit to how many subtasks you can add, so feel free to break down those complex projects into smaller, actionable steps. This flexibility allows for granular control over project tasks, making it a breeze to tackle even the most extensive projects. Remember, successfully adding subtasks is a crucial feature in project management, as it helps to keep track of specifics without cluttering your main task view. It's an excellent way to delegate portions of work to different team members while keeping everything tied to the main goal. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've now mastered adding subtasks in Monday.com, allowing for better task organization and increased productivity. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials on optimizing your workflow with Monday.com.